We are innocent Pashtun people. Women and children are being killed by using drones and even F-16s, jet bombers, by the Pakistani military. We have been informing the United Nations Human Rights Council about the TTP that is being installed in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa by the state of Pakistan. We tell the international community that there is no difference between the Pakistani military and the TTP. We are here at the United Nations Human Rights Council's 60th session to inform the international community about the ongoing consecutive military operations in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. We are innocent Pashtun people. Women and children are being killed by using drones and even F-16s, jet bombers, by the Pakistani military. This is for the last few sessions we have been informing the United Nations Human Rights Council about the TTP that is being installed in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa by the state of Pakistan under an agreement in which 55,000 TTP leaders and their family members were settled in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and now the Pakistani government says that they are, launching operations against these TTP. But we tell the international community that there is no difference between the Pakistani military and the TTP. So we want to inform the international community that these operations are fake operations. The main purpose of these operations is to kill innocent people, and in almost all the cases, especially in the drone attacks, innocent children and women are being killed. More than 40 drone attacks have been conducted in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and not a single TTP leader has been killed by those drone attacks. And recently even they have started using the F-16, and the main purpose is to create spaces for TTP and terrorists in these areas, install training camps in these areas, and then export these terrorists to other countries in the region. They are capturing our lands. For example, in Waziristan they have captured 700 kilometers of Jalghoza forest, which they are selling directly to other countries, and that money even doesn't go to the exchequer.
Baloch are facing genocide, physical genocide and economic genocide. Pakistan, with the help of Chinese Communist Party, is exploiting all the natural resources of Balochistan. When Baloch resist, their genocide is being committed by Pakistan's terrorist army. Pakistan is committing a genocide of Pashtuns there. Well, Pakistan is a country that blatantly violates human rights. In Pakistan, Balochistan is an occupied nation, and Baloch are facing genocide, physical genocide and economic genocide. Balochistan is a state with rich natural resources, and Pakistan, with the help of Chinese Communist Party, is exploiting all the natural resources of Balochistan and giving nothing to Baloch. And when Baloch resist, their genocide is being committed by Pakistan's terrorist army, the Punjabi army. And poor women and children are also abducted by Pakistan's brutal army, and there are no human rights in Balochistan. Same situation exists in KP. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, which is predominantly Pashtun province, and Pakistan is committing a genocide of Pashtuns there. All Pashtun legal representative of Pashtuns like PTM, Pashtun Tahfuz movement of Manzoor Pashtun, is a representative party of Pashtun youths. The historical representative party Awami National Party of Bacha Khan, and political representative PTI of Imran Khan. These are the representatives of Pashtuns, and they are facing brutal oppressions in KP. Pakistan Army created Tehrik-e-Taliban Pakistan to wage a jihad in Kashmir, but Tehrik-e-Taliban Pakistan said that we are for Sharia and we want Sharia in KP. So they have differences with Pakistan Army, and now the revenge Pakistan Army is taking is on common Pashtun. There are checkposts on every 25 kilometers where Pashtuns are humiliated and looted and often abducted. Their dead bodies are found after few days on any street. So same situation appears in KP, and then Sindh. Sindh is Pakistan's breadwinner. Sindh earns more than 50% of Pakistan's national revenue, but Sindh gets nothing. The agents of Pakistan Army, the feudal lords of Pakistan People's Party, they are ruling hands in hand with Pakistan Army. They are not ruling, they are looting Sindh, and Sindh's resources are looted blatantly and given nothing back to Sindh.